So today we're going to be installing a battery on this 2018 Honda Accord, which in my opinion has to be one of the nicest bodies Honda has ever made on the Accord model.
Oh my God! Wow!
All you're going to need is a 10mm, preferably a long neck 10mm. Anytime you're working on the battery, safety glasses, hand gloves as well. This vehicle is equipped with this kind of system. It is going to be 10mm. This is what you're going to need your long neck 10mm for. Go ahead and adjust that properly. Make sure you align those holes correctly and they get hooked on the right way. Go ahead with your 10mm. Tighten that up. Come in. Make sure they don't move around.